Yeah, what's up guys? I've had an amazing time right here in Abuja. Like, it's been phenomenal. Memories that I'm gonna have with me for a long time. But you know that the visit to Abuja is not complete until I get Kilishi, and that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm at this place called Area 1, right? Area 1, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little about Kilishi. Yeah.
See pressure, my guy. See today. See the time. See new one here. See new one here. I remember you.
How you sell?
See ya. See ya. See ya. See new one. Sorry.
How you they sell?
I sell 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000.
How you they sell? You wait
2,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Show me 2,000.
So everything you don't come, see drink water, you don't mineral.
Show me 2,000.
Let me do promo for you.
Yes. No, I say make you show me first.
I want to do that. See ya.
Now 2,000 be this. What's your name?
Champion.
Champion.
Kilishi champion. See ya.
Kilishi champion.
Yeah, all the people they put, I'm a student. Now me carry and come for you.
Kilishi champion.
Yes.
So now you be the champion for this area 1 for Kilishi.
Yes, all Nigeria.
All Nigeria.
Now you put champion. Kilishi did play.
But not be Kilishi champion, your papa give you any bonus.
So I mean Simon. I like Simon.
Alhaji Saminu.
Yes.
Okay. Well, this thing cannot be 2,000.
This one at 2,500 because I don't know what I'm to buy.
Like this thing at 1K. Yes, 1K. 1,000.
You know what? Let me bring big jump for what I want to price. Where you buy make a share on for you.
Now this one I want 1,000.
So even for my never like that.
Because you be Kilishi champion.
And that's why I want to do promo for you.
Yes, that's why I mean if I want to do promo for you. So, everybody's going to say hello to my people at home.
This one? Yes.
So if you want to get Kilishi, come to Area 1, come to Alhaji Saminu Kilishi champion international.
Yes.
Number 1 in all of Nigeria.
Yes. All the people who in my student.
They are your students.
Yes.
Oh shit. Now go there. Alright, so tasty.
So I say banana skin.
I don't want down banana. So how do you make this?
This one. This can be twice here.
Okay.
Whenever I send up for somebody,
Okay.
you will go sell them for me.
Okay.
So where you put up, you will put them for fire.
For fire?
Yes.
Okay.
Fire. Under.
Okay.
Where the thing dry. I'll go by ingredients.
Ingredients, okay.
And general. And ingredient only strength.
Okay.
Yes. Arrange and finish. I will put them for fire again.
Okay. Wow, that's nice.
I'm more than what you see. I already said it before. I got royalty in my blood. Everybody say
yes. That was one successful adventure. I've been wondering how on earth they make this Kilishi. It's dried meat, right? Dried meat, Abby? Yeah, dried meat. But yeah, you heard it for yourself how the guy makes the Kilishi. Anyways, I'm off to the airport right now to catch my last flight to Lagos. I'm going to snacking on this beauty right here. So you guys, whenever you come to Abuja, make sure that you try out one of this. It's really nice. I like spice a lot, so yeah, there's a lot of spice in this. I know there are people, especially my friends from South Africa, that would not be able to try this. My friends from South Africa. Oh, I met one person one time from Italy that couldn't even try anything spicy at all. So this is not for you, sadly. But there's a whole lot of beauty in this thing. Anyways, guys, off to the airport right now. Oh, just look at the clouds. It's looking like it's gonna rain.
drunk ruler. I've been climbing on the ladder of success. Some say I'm taking way too long. I worry not, I care less. See, I'm blessed. Don't measure by the glitters in my rollie or the jamming whip that I roll in. Cause God came in and gave me a clear picture for tomorrow, saying I would have to borrow this royalty in my blood. Oh, when I believed I received, it's still a mystery how this boy done made it from the ghetto.
I'm telling mama hello from the other side. Last week it was from the other side.
Pages of my passports filled. See, I'm globetrotting for my king, my dreams fulfilled. I know so much is ahead of me, I'm just scratching the surface. Success is where your life is fulfilling purpose. I'm not giving this to the applause, cause my life you made it only for your glory. I'm a blessed man.
My life is just like a tree planted by the waterside. Favor is all that I see, shine brighter in the dark. Best things in life are for me. This is my song.